Welcome to Is WalletConnect Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the WalletConnect service and additional information are provided in the description below. WalletConnect is a decentralized protocol that connects your mobile wallet to decentralized applications, dApps, across multiple blockchains. It's made for crypto users who interact with dApps but prefer not to input their private keys on every interaction, providing a more secure and user-friendly experience. The main feature of WalletConnect is its ability to securely connect your wallet to dApps via a QR code scan. This connection is encrypted end-to-end, meaning that your private keys are never exposed to the dApp. This makes it one of the safest options for interacting with decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and other blockchain-based services. WalletConnect supports a wide range of wallets, including MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and many others, which gives it great flexibility for different users. In terms of security, WalletConnect stands out because it never stores any private keys or transaction data, ensuring that your information is protected. Instead of transmitting sensitive data over the internet, it uses a secure session that is established through an encrypted QR code scan. Additionally, WalletConnect allows you to approve or deny each transaction, which provides another layer of control and security. One of the most notable advantages is the ability to interact with multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, and others, making it a versatile tool for any crypto enthusiast. WalletConnect is designed for those who want to use dApps without the hassle of remembering complex private keys while keeping their transactions secure. To sum up, WalletConnect is a highly secure and user-friendly solution for interacting with decentralized applications. Its encrypted connections, wide wallet support, and multiple blockchain integrations make it a top choice for users who value both ease of use and security. For more details, check out the links in the description below.